So guys, welcome to my channel again. Tutulungan ko siya kung paano mag-math and magte-test lang kami a little bit. So, a little bit, wala ba? A little bit, magte-test kami. So, magte-test kami a little bit and kukuha lang kami ng papel. So I'm back with the paper and gagawin ko siya ng little test and we're going to see how can she handle it. Uy. Patapon na ito. Ano yun?
Pwede ko yan drawing?
Bawal pa. Hindi pa tayo magdodrawing. Gagawin pa kami ng math subject natin. So, anong kulay gusto mong ipapang ko?
Blue.
Blue, okay. So, see you later, guys. See you later. Diyan ka lang, ah. So, gagawin ko na siya ng test, guys. So, guys, let me speed that up. Nilagyan ko na lang dito tayo hindi makakita kasi mag-test siya. Lagyan sa akin, Pops! Ayan. Guys, okay na. So, ito na, Erica. Let me speed up again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.